Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the retail industry, and the impact is only going to continue in the future. AI is already being used to automate many tasks that were once done by humans, and this trend is only going to continue. Here are some of the ways that AI is likely to further impact retail stores. AI can be used to personalize shopping experiences for each individual customer. This could include things like suggesting products, deals, and promotions that are tailored to each customer's interests. AI can be used to improve customer service in retail stores by answering questions, resolving issues, and providing 24/7 support. It can be used to increase efficiency and productivity in retail stores by automating tasks such as inventory management, checkout, and returns. It can be used to reduce costs in retail stores by automating tasks, improving efficiency, and negotiating better deals with suppliers. Lastly, AI can be used to develop new products and services in retail stores. This could include things like virtual reality shopping, personalized product recommendations, and AI-powered chatbots. Overall, the impact of AI on retail stores is likely to be positive. It can be used to improve the customer experience, increase efficiency, and reduce costs. This could lead to a more competitive and innovative retail industry that offers better value for customers. We've already seen some of these AI tools applied in retail stores. Amazon offers a slew of AI and machine learning services through Amazon Web Services. These include pre-trained AI services for image and video analysis, performed by the company Rekognition, conversational agents provided by Lex, and text-to-speech applications provided by Poly. Cloud machine learning platform SageMaker was launched towards the end of 2017. The most well-known AI product from Amazon is Alexa, its virtual assistant. As part of its Echo range of devices, Alexa gave Amazon an early lead in the nascent smart speakers market. Amazon orchestrates the world's largest fleet of mobile robots in its warehouses and has invested heavily in AI-related mergers and acquisitions activity, acquiring Canvas, a warehouse robotics company, in 2019, and Zoox, a leading autonomous vehicle startup, in mid-2020. At Walmart, the retail giant has been using a chatbot developed by California-based Pactum Inc., a company that specializes in autonomous negotiation software. Walmart can tell the software the products it needs and the budget it has, and Pactum AI will communicate with human sellers to get Walmart the best deal. Bloomberg likens the Pactum software to ChatGPT, the viral AI chatbot from OpenAI that was released last fall. And as the outlet details, Walmart's experience with the Pactum AI is going swimmingly. Walmart also uses AI to power its checkout system, its inventory management system, and its personalized shopping recommendations. Costco is a retailer that is using AI to improve its customer service. Costco uses AI to power its chatbots, its customer support system, and its fraud detection system. Lowe's has used in-store smart robots since 2016. The retailer partnered with Fellow Robots to design the Lowbot, which can answer basic questions inputted by text by employees or customers. Customers can ask the Lowbot for a product's location, and the device will accompany customers to the right part of the store. The Lowbot also monitors inventory and provides feedback on store stock. Several years ago, McDonald's acquired Dynamic Yield, an artificial intelligence startup based in Tel Aviv and New York, for over $300 million. Dynamic Yield focuses on providing personalized customer experiences using AI. The acquisition is McDonald's largest purchase in 20 years and is one of the largest tech investments in the retail sector. McDonald's began working with Dynamic Yield in 2015, and the fast food chain believes the artificial intelligence will have a meaningful impact on the customer experience as well as the bottom line. Since the acquisition, McDonald's has already changed the digital displays in the drive-thrus at 8,000 locations to dynamically provide customers with more customized recommendations. For example, data such as the weather, time of day, historical sales information, and traffic patterns will be analyzed to make more meaningful food recommendations by store location. Other potential uses of the AI recommendation engine may include providing simpler menu options when the drive-thru is backed up to help reduce the backlog in the kitchen. Kroger has partnered with Ocado to provide it with automated warehouses. In total, Kroger has announced plans for 10 Ocado customer fulfillment centers. Kroger has also adopted AI to reduce its self-checkout errors and has deployed Everseen's visual AI technology across 2,500 stores. These are just a few of the retailers that are using AI to improve their operations. As AI continues to develop, it is likely that even more retailers will adopt AI to improve their operations and provide better customer service. Let me know in the comments if there are other retailers you've seen implement AI, and if you have other thoughts on how it will be used in the future.